Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to my channel Load Up Crypto. So in today's video, I just wanted to do a quick update on the market and yeah, because the market was looking red today, there was a lot of panic and Bitcoin was down. A lot of our favorite altcoins were down as well. So what I wanted to bring today was just a quick update of the market and pretty much how I'm playing this market right now. Obviously, the main thing that I wanted to address to the community is to not panic. Keep your composure, and once we get through this difficult period, we should really see the market explode. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you a bit of news as well, which should hopefully make you see that yeah, it's a bit of a tough period right now, but it should get better. So the way I'm also looking at this day as well is that it's there's a lot of red in the market, so it's definitely a buying opportunity. By no means are we at the end of the bull market, so I wanted to make that clear. We're definitely not at the end of the bull market. We've got an election coming up. We've got potential rate reduction. So there's definitely a lot of events to take place yet, which should bring additional crucial liquidity back into the market. But anyways, let's take a look at the market first, and then I'll jump into a few articles and kind of give you my view on how I'm seeing the market playing out. Okay, so if we take a look at the market today, we're down 1.1% in the last 24 hours. Bitcoin is down to 66.8. So this earlier on was down at 65. So we've made a bit of a recovery there. Ethereum down 0.5% in the last 24 hours. And we can see actually that there was a lot of red earlier on. I mean, there was a lot more red than there is actually showing now. So even though there is still quite a lot of red, but we are making a gradual kind of recovery, especially within Bitcoin. That was down at 65. I'm pretty sure it was. Let me just take a look at that. Load up the chart on CoinGecko. So yeah, we were down at 65k pretty much early on today. So we've made a pretty decent recovery back to 66.8. So that's a positive sign, guys. Obviously that's I wasn't going to address that, but that's one of the first signs that looks like there is still that kind of buying momentum out there. So yeah, we can see the prices ticking up. So that's great news. Anyways, let's go back. And the other thing that I wanted to bring to your attention today as well was today we saw the launch of one of the most anticipated projects, and that was ZK Sync. So this is a layer 2 on Ethereum, and ZK Sync had kind of 4 years of development and a lot of hype around it, and it's come out today and literally just been kind of yeah, it's just been yeah, it's not looking great. It's just been absolutely annihilated pretty much, starting off at around 30 cents, come all the way down to 23 cents. However, guys, if you compare this to some of the competition out there like Arbitrum or Starknet or some of the other ones, you can see the market cap actually is a lot bigger than ZK Sync. So even from an FTV perspective, so there is the potential to accumulate at these levels and hopefully see this play out well against its competition and obviously increase in market cap. So that's kind of one of the plays that I was looking at as well early on today. Wanted to bring it to your attention as well. But anyways, let's go back to the CoinGecko here. And as I was saying, guys, it looks like in the last hour or so, we're seeing a lot of green. So the market is picking up, which is good news. So that's pretty good. That's pretty good out there. Okay, so guys, what I wanted to bring to your attention was obviously I didn't want you guys to kind of panic about how the market is looking and how red the market was today, because a lot of the altcoins today, when I was looking at my portfolio, I was seeing some coins were down 20% or along those lines. So I wanted to make sure that you're playing the market well. You're not capitulating right now. You're kind of staying put in the market and using this as a buying opportunity as well to definitely accumulate some great projects. But the news that I wanted to bring to you, right, was what we need to remember is that we've got a spot Ethereum ETF, which is literally, according to Bloomberg analysts, is potentially going to be trading by July the 2nd. So you can see here's an article on Cointelegraph. Bloomberg ETF analyst Eric Balchunas says his best guess of now is that a spot Ether ETF will begin trading in the US by July the 2nd. So guys, you got to keep that in mind, and that is bullish news. I mean, if we get the ETF trading on July the 2nd, then that potentially could be a boost of momentum in the market to kind of ignite altcoin season if we start to see a lot of inflows coming through for and a lot of demand for the Ethereum ETF. So that's obviously bullish. So that's good news, which we can obviously expect to pop up in the market sooner rather than later. And also, I saw another tweet. So this was from a individual, Vance Spencer. So you can see his Twitter account here, and he says here. So he's put, if you lived another 100 years, you might not see a larger rate cut cycle, the likes of which we are about to see. So we are working with 525 basis points. So that is just absolutely crazy. So what we need to remember, right, is that interest rates will be coming down. They will be coming down. It's kind of been it's been stated by Jerome Powell, and there's been talks of it within the Fed. So rates definitely will be coming down. And what we need to remember is that interest rates at 5.25 right now, that's the largest that it's been. So once rates start to reduce, there'll be a lot of liquidity that enters the market, which will give risk assets the potential to really boost up and go parabolic. So that's something to keep in mind as well. And if we take a look at the Bitcoin chart here, so I've just got this on the daily, so Bitcoin USDT, and we can see that we are pretty much trading on the 50 EMA. So we pretty much bounced below the 50 EMA, hit that as a level of support, and now we're just kind of holding that key level there. And what we've also got as a plus point is a reset on the stochastic RSI. So we can see the reset happening at the bottom here, and we've got the crossover. So potentially what that means is that we should hopefully see price moving to the upside as we've got the reset on the daily. So also guys, if I pull in the Bollinger Band, we can literally see, so let's pull that in here. We can see how tight the Bollinger Bands have got. We literally bounced off the lower end of the band and have started to retrace to the upside there. You can barely see that. Let's try and zoom in a little bit so we can see what's going on. Okay, so you can see there we've bounced off the lower end of the band and start to retrace upwards. So as soon as we break that 50 EMA, which is the blue line, we should hopefully then go up to a 68k level. And if we break that 68k level, then potentially we could be going up to the upper end of the Bollinger Band, which is at 71k. So I guess the other thing is that we've been trading in a range, from around 60 to 70k for Bitcoin, and the longer we stay within that range, once we get a breakout, the more violent the breakout will be. So if we stay in that range, for a longer time, and we have actually stayed in that range for a pretty long time now. So once we get that breakout, we should really see prices maximize, and hopefully that is to the upside, which, pretty much all kind of news and events put me on that direction to think that the breakout will be to the upside. So guys, just wanted to make it kind of make a quick video for you guys and just let you guys know that from my perspective, the market still is pretty bullish. We've got a lot of events to be coming up and a lot to look forward to as well. So the way I'm playing this market, guys, as I said, I'm using this opportunity whenever it's a red day right now, because we are in a bull market. So whenever it's a red day, it's an opportunity to really load up those bags on some decent projects that you or that you haven't really accumulated enough of. So that's pretty much how I've been playing the market. And as I was saying, guys, since making this video, we are seeing Bitcoin moving again to the upside. Early on when I started the video off, we were below the 67k level, and now we can see that we're actually at 67k. So that's pretty good, pretty decent. Okay, guys, hope you enjoyed the video. It was just a short, quick video. Just wanted to bring some, I guess, key news events that are going to be coming up, and also just kind of talk through my analysis and my kind of viewpoint of how I'm seeing the market and how I'm playing the market. Let me know how you guys are playing the market. Let me know what you're accumulating. Hit me up in the comments below. Hit that like, hit that subscribe, and I will catch you in the next video. Peace out.